Hi friends, it's Organic Worm Castings by Soto, and I have my scale here in front of me, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how I weigh my food. So I'll go ahead and turn it on. A container such as this, so we'll go ahead and weigh this container. And then I'll hit this button here. And now what it'll do is it'll take that weight into account. And then when I put the food in it, it'll be the weight of the food. I have a nice array of food here. I have some bananas, some carrots, and some leaves, celery. No, this looks like lettuce stalks, and carrots. All ready for the worms. They're really ready to eat that. The last time I fed them was July 26th, and 3 days later they were pretty much done, but I want them to even start munching down some of that bedding. So they pretty much was done with all the food 3 days ago. So I'm certain that they're going to be hungry for all of this yummy feast. So let's go ahead and see how much this food weighs. £2 and 8.41 ounces. So that's a lot. So let's go ahead and bring in the worms. I'll be right back. Here's the worm bin. And the last video load up was 6 days ago. And they ate their food about 4 days ago. They were pretty much finished. So I just wanted them to start taking advantage of the bedding. So I'm sure they're going to enjoy this feast that I'm about ready to give them. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you off the tripod and we'll go into the bin and take a look and see how much food is left. I don't think there's really any, just probably little scraps like this avocado, little bits. And as far as their bedding goes, the last time you saw me put some in, I went in a few days ago and shredded the pieces down even to smaller bits. I'll be right back. So let's go ahead and take a look into this corner. Looks nice. Nice worm population, so there must have been food there. Looking good. Take a look into the middle. Nice. Really did a good job turning over the food. Pretty clean for what they have to do. There's a little bit of bell pepper skin. Let's take a look over in this corner. So I'd say the bin looks really nice. I'll go ahead and just put the food here in this area. So I'll go ahead and Put the camera back on the tripod. And we'll go ahead and feed them. Okay, so we'll go ahead and lay this bag down. I'm not going to really shred it up too much. Just going to open it up. And put it down. So I have the food all ready for them. And I'll bring them over. And let them enjoy their feast.